What's going on, you guys? Today we're going to be looking at 3D ceramic trim restore. I haven't heard anything about it, never tried it. We're going to be putting it on this Explorer. Hopefully it'll come out good. We're going to be testing to see its hydrophobic properties. We're going to be seeing how long it lasts, how easy it is to put on. So let's get into the video. But first, before we do that, we're going to get started with some Greenol. This is diluted 1:1. Alright, we're gonna let that dry. Alright. Came back the next day because I really wanted to see what it would do on the fender flare itself. Looking here. That's dry. It's been about 12 hours later, but it's dry. Now we're just gonna do the rest. We're gonna have to open this door up and get the bumper in the rear anyways. We're gonna have to get the bumper in the front. But so far, I'm really liking the way that this looks. It is a ceramic trim restorer. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but if it sits on the parking lot for very long, I wanna keep an eye on it. I want to see if it fades. I want to see if it just dries up completely. And most importantly, will it last more than a week? Alright, here we are. Let's say it's been a couple hours later. We're in the sun. Got all this ceramic trim and restorer on. And I think it's looking good. I missed that right there, didn't I? Yep. I'm gonna have to go over it. We want to do this trim. But I think it looks good. Now it's just to see how long it lasts. Will it last a week? Will it last 3 weeks? Will it last 3 months? 6 months? A year? And just a little side-by-side comparison. Now, if it stays like this for a long time, I may keep this as a daily use. I'm really wanting to find a good plastic and trim restore. While I was at it, I also did the mirrors. See if they dry. I think it came out really good. Plastic protectant. Well, we'll also test that out too. Here in a few days, I'm gonna wash it, see if it's lasted a week. I'll probably let it sit till next Friday, and then we'll see how it does. So stay tuned.